Okay guys, here I am continuing my journey of creating my new craft space, and I'm going to utilize the space behind my entrance door. So for those of you who are new to my channel, my name is Claudette with Miss Puff Creative Corner, so let's jump right into it. So I used some slim hanging wall files from Amazon, so you can see the measurements. They have these slots with 10 each, and you have the 5 slots each. So I got 2 of the 10 slots. I love the style of it. It's slim. I love the little dip down. It's easier for you to grab your paper. Body mechanic wise, it's right there on the wall. I could get it. I don't have to bend down. I don't have to dig inside some slots that they get hidden. I like that they have the removable tags. It's plastic. You could write. I'm using permanent marker here. So you get it when it's wet. You could use alcohol to wipe that off, and you don't have to use permanent marker. Each slots, the 10 slot counts, come with 16 labels, so you have extra labels to use. If you're interested in these files, I leave the information where you could get these on Amazon in the description box down below. And this is how mine's turn out, guys. I just like how it looks. I like the cleanness of the white. I like the mesh look of it. And like I said, I like the dip down. I can also see when I'm getting low on a particular color paper. If you like what you see here, guys, you like these organizational tips, don't hesitate to hit that like button down below. That would be greatly appreciated. So if you like to continue to follow me on my craft space journey, as well as seeing other organizational tips that I have for my craft room that I'll be sharing with you, please consider hitting the subscribe button as well as the bell icon so you can be notified when I upload my latest videos. So don't forget, utilize that wall space in a creative way. Thank you guys for tuning in. This is Claudette, and I'll catch you guys on my next video.